How to record meetings on Google Meet. What's up everyone? In this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to easily record meetings on the Google Meet application. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick like and subscribe. Let's begin. First thing you need to do is head over to your Chrome, click on the app button and then click on Meet. So from here you just want to create a new meeting. I'm just going to create an instant meeting here. And from here you'll get an option to continue to the meeting. Once you get here, what you need to do is see if there is recording available. In some cases you will find the recording option, but as you can see, if I click on the three dots, recording is unavailable. So for this you will need to be affiliated with certain company, or you must have the host controls or the admin controls or the premium version of Google Meet. So in your region it might be available, but for those who don't have this recording option available, what you can do is click on the new tab, click on the three dots, and then from here head over to extensions, and from here you want to visit Chrome Web Store. Once you get to the web store, you are just gonna search for Awesome Screen Recorder. Click on it and you just want to add this to Chrome. Click on Add Extension and it will start downloading the extension on your Chrome. You just have to wait for it to load, and once this is done downloading, what you need to do is go ahead and click on Extensions. Find the extension that you have just downloaded right here. Now you will just have to sign in with your Google account and just click on your Google account to sign in. It's completely free. And once you're done signing in, what you can do is pin the extension for easy use. And once you do that, what you will have to do is go ahead and grant access to your camera and your microphone. And once you grant your access, you can claim bonus if you want, or skip this for now, and you can try to start record. So what this will do is it will show up a screen, so you can select a Chrome tab if you want. So if I want to record only the Meet tab, I'm just going to select the Meet tab and then share the screen accordingly, and it will start the recording as well. So that is pretty much it. I hope you found this helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.